Hi, my name is Josie Reno. This video will guide you through the installation of Google Drive file stream for your desktop computer. To begin with, you're going to want to open Google Chrome and log into your Gmail account. From there, you'll go to the little grid in the upper right-hand corner and choose Drive from your list of Google apps. Once you find your way to Google Drive, you will click on the little gear option in the upper right-hand corner. That's your settings button. And from there, you will choose Download Drive File Stream for Windows. That brings you to this window where you can choose to download for Windows or to download for Mac. We're going to download for Windows. Since we're using Google Chrome, we will have our download show up across the bottom on our download bar. You should see Google Drive FileStream.exe. We'll click once on that to launch the application. And since I'm on a Windows computer, it's just asking me, do you really want this app to make changes to your device? Click on yes. And it will download and start the installation process. While it's installing, I wanted to tell you the reason that Google Drive File Stream is so great. It creates a link on your desktop computer to your files in Google Drive. So those files can be opened and edited directly from apps on your computer, and those changes are automatically pushed to the cloud. And the best thing of all, it does not take up any storage space on your C drive. When it's finished installing, it will give you a message that installation is complete. At this point, you can click on Close on that window, and you should get a screen that pops up requesting that you sign in to Google Drive. And click on Next. Now, you'll notice that I've got a flashing Google Drive icon here on the bottom. That means I've got something that didn't pop forward to the front. For you, it may have popped forward to the front. If not, go ahead and click on it. And it's going to give you a little introduction to Google Drive File Stream. If you just click on this, you can see what it's going to offer for you. And that's it. You don't need to go through all of this. You're welcome to if you'd like. I'm just going to go ahead and close that window. And then I'm going to minimize my browser, and it automatically pops up with a File Explorer window. Here in Explorer, I can see my drive and team drives. And over on the left-hand side, I see under my Quick Access Google Drive. Also, if I scroll down further, I should have a new network drive that's called Google Drive File Stream. Now, if I click on one of these drives here, I can see that this is all of the same content that is available through Google Drive in my browser. But now I can open it directly from my computer and save it directly on my computer without having to re-update the files through the cloud. It does all of the updating for me. Now that we have Google File Stream, we also have access to our team drives from our desktop as well. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something valuable about Google Drive File Stream today.